Okay, here. Confession. This was filmed back in August 2022. Thought I'd lost the footage. Why? Because I usually back up to this. I found this and all the footage was on it, so I was able to edit it. So yeah, and I didn't get the outro footage, so there might not be any outro footage on this, but yeah, sorry about that. But anyway, how about Scooby-Doo ending? Hey guys, it's Luke right here for RC Tanks and Trucks 27. We've come down to the beautiful deep water out at Milpera. We love it here because it's private. It's not secluded, it's private. We can film these bloody boat videos and we don't get annoyed. We do get a few passers-by walkers. They tend to stop, they oogle at the boats and they can't believe how fast these sound down. Now speaking of fast, I've got a comparison video today. Because I get this question a lot about the OXIDEAN Marine Dominator, about the price, how expensive it is. Why don't I flip it around? I got the Sonicwake V1, my old boat, sold it to one of the boys, Peter, and I've got my OXIDEAN Marine Dominator that I've had for a while. You probably seen the video that I did a couple of years ago on it. So I'll flip around and I'll show you. Okay, so this is my Dominator by OXIDEAN Marine, stock, out of the box. It's I think it's a mono, beautiful boat, carbon fiber Kevlar. Go check the video out on the unboxing and then the initial run video. And then this is a Pro Boat Sonicwake, the SW36, with a dark side wrap on it. So I'll go through this boat, tell you what I've done to it. So, get these off. Right. So this is ready to rock and roll. So let's start off with the ESC. So you've probably seen this boat before. So it's a Sea King 180. And then we've got a TP powered motor with the Power HD servo. Okay. And then we're running it on a Futaba and a Remo Hobby box, waterproof box. So there we've got the RC boat bits, full upgrade. So from the turn fins to the trim tab, then we've got the dual rudder, and that's the adjustable strut as well, and it's running an OXIDEAN Marine 4519 alloy prop. So that's that current setup on the Sonicwake. Now, so that is what we call fully upgraded with the dual, all done, all purchased from RC Boat Bits in Australia. Now, this is the OXIDEAN Marine Dominator. Again, carbon fiber Kevlar. Now it's got the Sea King 180. It's got a 2000 kV 4082 OXIDEAN Marine motor. It's got a alloyed. Sorry, it's got the alloy metal geared digital. I believe it's digital. Let me double check. Servo. I think I got that running on 7.4 volts. Same as the Sonicwake. So, because I've changed the output back on that. And then you've got all the hardware on the rear. Again, all stock, guys. Beautiful specimen of a boat. And I'm running the 4519 OXIDEAN Marine prop as well, as you should. So changed the QS8s. Ever since I've changed the QS8s, I've had no dramas with the boat. Awesome looking boat. So what we're going to do is we're going to get these on the water today. We're going to do a speed comparison, because a lot of people, and this is the message I'm trying to get out there today, I suppose, there's a lot of people think that that's expensive. Okay, so I think out of the box, at the time I'd have to go check the prices, so I'm going to flash the prices up here, chopped on its current retail value in US dollars compared to the Sonicwake. So what I'll do is I'll do a price comparison as I've gone through and throw the prices up here to tell you what the difference is. So there's not only the initial purchase of the boat, so the initial outlay, and then it's the upgrades as well, excluding the wrap, because the wrap is more of a personalizing thing than anything else compared to the Dominator, which is, they've got a decal set, but I actually have grown to love displaying the carbon fiber Kevlar on there. So what we're going to do is we're going to get Pete to run that. I'm going to run that, and then we're going to see a comparison between why the outlay on that performs a lot better than something that's been fully upgraded, and the actual price is totally different. So let's go, let's get them on the water. Disclaimer, when I drive I tend to laugh and giggle, so because I'm going to put you on my head, so yeah, my apologies. You ready? Yeah, mate, yeah, yep. Yeah. Oh, yeah, mate, yeah. Yeah, for sure, for sure. What?
Oh, I didn't bring it. Don't worry, leave it on the edge.
Living on the edge!
You just say, do you want me to wreck it?
Okay.
That rooster tail, I swear to God. I love the rooster tail.
Bobby! Okay, ready?
So I've just got that on normal.
Hold on.
If you want to do a slow-mo, let me know.
Okay. You trim good? Yeah, okay, I'll come around. Ooh, that, mate, when she's gone away, she's cool, eh? Ooh. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, ho, ho, referee! full? Really?
Violent, mate. Yeah. You think it's that high kick and then it just gives you that ankle middle. What's the thing? Violent from the
You alright? Okay, he's going out for a rescue.
That's insanely fast.
Grow up.
Don't worry. Hey, mate, I got covered head to toe. Fucking roads.
Dude.
Yeah, when we clashed.
Oh yeah.
Prop chop.
Oh, I'm wondering what the hole's gonna look like. Alright, here we go.
Well, that was fun while it lasted.
What happened?
Prop chop. And we come together.
Yes, because I heard it.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
No bolts.
Oh, that was like that. That's how it come out of the box.
A bit of polish will fix it.
Oh,
There you go.
focus. Look at that.
Just put it in reverse and it should fix it.
Oh, look, that just rubs away.
That's it.
I need some of that tape.
Oh, thanks, brother.
You know, the plumber's tape? They just slap it on and the leak goes away.
And repaired it with only flex tape. Not only does flex tape's powerful adhesive hold.
And it's gone.
Remember?
Okay, bring it in closer, Peter. Old Suki here couldn't handle getting chopped. Oh, actually, oh, look at that. Bloody hell. And look what you've done. I can't see it.
You notice how it's
It's
all,
somewhere.
You can't see
you
it.
notice how it's all look what you done.
Oh, that was good stuff, Pete. Thank you very much, sir. I got another prop for you. I got another OXIDEAN Marine prop for you.
You get that one?
Yep. Yeah, man, that's crazy. That was good times. You fucking watch out, alright? here's this outro that I promised you. It's in portrait mode, and this is what we call a overlay on the main edited footage. So, okay, now let's start off with, like, big fan of the Sonicwake, both versions, version 1 and version 2. I think the version 2 is pretty good out of the box. Keep it stock, and it won't give you any dramas. Every time we've gone to the upgrades of the Sonicwakes, and that's all, I think we had 5 or 6 of us with Sonicwakes at one time, V1s and V2s. Always just had problems with the V1s overheating on the 120 amp ESCs, and then we went to the 180, and it would just move the problem to the plugs. A lot of guys were still running the EC5s, then we tried going to the XT90s, but settled on the QS8s, and they were fine, they were perfect. So I think in this video though, having that 4519 prop damaged, you can hear that weird pitch when it's running around. Doesn't sound normal, especially for that TP motor, because I ran that quite a fair bit, so I kind of got accustomed to the sound of the motor wind when it was in the water on full power. So I think maybe the lack of speed or the punch or the top end was due to that prop being damaged when it hit the carbon Kevlar on the OXIDEAN Marine. So from this day, I've had no issues with it. I've since then, so it's been over a year and a bit, I've since then sold my OXIDEAN Marine Dominator, and I'm actually in the middle of upgrading to the latest version with the 200 amp ESC, and I think it's like I think it's a higher kV, I'm not too sure, but that's next on the shopping list for Christmas, to get me another OXIDEAN Marine boat. It was pretty cool, the first one, but before the new, I think this thing has got the bearing inside it on the strut, and all the new electronics as well, and the motor. It only made sense to kind of like upgrade to the next version. I think it's either version 3 or version 2, I'm not too sure, but stick out for that. It'll be around about Christmas. I'll be shouting myself a Christmas present and buying the latest OXIDEAN Marine Dominator, so looking forward to that. Looking forward to chopping again. So as you see all the boats going around the chopping board, you can see there's a lot of onions being chopped because there's a lot of tears in the eyes of the Sonicwake races. So, but all in all, it's all in good fun, but don't take it too seriously. I understand it's all about branding and sticking to your loyal brand and all that, but come on guys, these are toy boats. I wouldn't say we're adults, some of us are, definitely not me, but it's all in good fun and good humour. So Pete was a pretty good sport. I just betrayed that he just, you know, he was a bit cut. Was he a bit cut? I don't know, who knows. But alright guys, thanks for tuning in. I'll see you on the next one. We've got some exciting new boat builds coming up. And speaking of the Sonicwake, I've actually got a stock V1 that I'm going to be building on the channel with the upgrades as well. So probably not the same. I think we're looking at a different motor because, you know, time has passed. So have a look out for that one, and I'll see you on the next one.
Who's going down? your weight too.
You've been devirgin